So hello everyone, today I'm going to discuss the linear algebra, matrices, and matrix algebra. So let's start. So our problem here is a company manufactures 3 products, A, B, and C. The production cost per unit in dollars. For these products in 3 different factories are given the following matrix. So P is equal to 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, and 6, 5, 4. The number of units produced of each product by the 3 factories is given in the following matrix. So our Q here is Q is equal to 100, 120, 110, 150, 130, 115, 200, 114, 120. So ang atong pangitaon diri is first is calculate the total production cost for each factory. Second is find the total production cost for each products across all the factories. 3. Determine the total production cost for the company. So ato na ni isolve. So first natong pangitaon is ang iyang total production so ang una natong pangitaon is total production cost for each factory. So para ato ni siyang makuha, kailangan nato i-multiply ang production cost matrix nga mao ni ang P. I-multiply nato siya sa unit produce matrix ug mao siya ang Q. So ang atong i-compute diri is ang atong pangitaon is ang iyang element wise product matrix C. So bali ang C ang atong pangitaon diri. So ato siyang i-multiply ang P times Q is equal to, so ato na ning sundugon ang P ug Q. Then ato din siyang i-multiply. 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4. I-times nato siya sa Q. So, i-multiply nato ni siya. So, 4 times 100 is equal to 400. Then 3 times 120 is equal to 360. Then 2 times 110 is equal to 220. Then sa next row, 5 times 150 is equal to 750. 4 times 130 is equal to 520. 3 times 115 is equal to 345. Then ang sa last row is 6 times 200 equals to 1,200. 5 times 140 is equal to 700. Then 4 times 120 is equal to 480. So then pag human na to ni pag ma-multiply na nato siya, mao naman ni iyang answer pag human na to gi-multiply. And then ato na dayon i-add ang production cost for each factory kada row. So atong i-add. So mayroon siyang factory 1 kaning siya kibali kaning 400 plus 750 plus 1,200 is equal to 2,350. Factory 2 is equal to 360 plus 520 plus 700 is equal to 1,580. Factory 3 is equal to 220 plus 345 plus 480 is equal to 1,045. So the total, ayan siya. So the total production cost for each factory is 2,350, 1,580, 1,445. So mao kibali ni ang atong production cost for each factory. So next natong buhaton is bangitaw na to ang total production cost for each product. So para ma-solve na to ang total production cost for each product, kailangan na to i-add ang columns sa element-wise product matrix C. So ang atong matrix C is mao ni siya kining naa sa total production cost for each factory. So iato ra ni siyang i-add kada column. So product A is 400 plus 360 plus 220 is equal to 980. Product B is 750 plus 520 plus 345 is equal to 1,615. Ang atong product C is 1,200 plus 700 plus 480 is equal to 2,380. So, ang total sa atong production cost for each product is, so the total production cost for each product is 980, 1,615, and 2,380. So mao kibali ni ang total production cost for each product. So next na tong pangitaon is total production cost for the company. So para next is total production cost for each company. So para ma-solve na to ni, kailangan na to i-add ang element-wise product matrix C. So so para makita na to ang element-wise product matrix C, mao ni siya kaning nasa total sa production cost for each factory. So mao kibali na atong i-solve. So 2,350 plus 1,580 plus 1,045 is equal to 4,975. So the total production cost for the company is $4,975. So the total production cost for the company is $4,975. So kibali mao ni ang atong answer sa kaning problem. So That's all for today. Thank you and God bless.